A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Prices at the pumps have jumped for a fifth straight week, taking them, to get this, the highest they have been in years. Dashan Hendricks tells us more.
Well, there are big increases in the price of petrol all across the board. Let's start first by looking at gasoline, which is jumping this week by $1.52, both grades. And this is the fifth straight week of increases for the price of gasoline. And that increase brings the price of gasoline to the highest they have been in more than 2 years. In fact, you'll have to go back to July 9, 2015 to see prices higher than they are right now for gasoline. Moving on now, the price of diesel goes up this week by $1.90, while the low sulfur diesel increases by $1.97. Kerosene is up as well. It goes up this week by $1.79. Propane cooking gas up $1.92, but butane is up by a whopping $2.73. It's back to you now.
Thanks very much, Dashan. In the meantime, the price of oil settled up today. Oil for delivery in September settled at $49.59 a barrel. It was up 43 cents. Currency trading now, and end users seeking US dollars will be paying an average $128.28 tomorrow. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $102.18. The pound sterling is selling for $169.15, while the euro sells for $151.78. And that's the business day. Well, just before we go, stocks ended mostly higher today. That pushed the main JSE market index up more than 1,724 points. The junior market, however, declined by 6 points. Those ending higher included 138 Student Living, Cable and Wireless, Carreras, Jamaica Producers, the NCB Financial Group, and Sweet River Abattoir. On the losing end were Access Financial, Derriman Trading, Honeybun, the KLE Group, Lasca Distributors, the Sagicor Group, and T-Tech. And that's a cap on the business day for this evening. On behalf of the team, pleasant viewing.